How to delete a Spotify account. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, you have to open up any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, type in delete Spotify account. Once you type in this, tap on enter and scroll below. In here you will see closing your account and deleting your data by Spotify. Tap onto it. Now this is a support article. In here you will see close your account and delete your data, which is clickable, so tap onto it. And likewise, it says that after you close your account, we will email you a link which you can use to reactivate within 7 days. If you happen to open the link after 7 days, you cannot do anything about it. So tap on close my account and delete my data. As you do so, you will get landed onto this support team. Here tap on close my account and you can have a live chat with them. Then tap on close my account and delete my data. Open up your email. Once you open the Spotify email, it will look something like this. You tap on close my account. That is all done now. Your account is now closed, so you won't be able to log in anymore. And in case you change your mind, you have 7 days until you can reactivate your account again. That is all for today, and thank you for watching.